to the live. Just waiting for a few more to join in. So guys, आज का जो लाइव है, it's gonna be a mix of all हर रेंज के कैटेगरी के अलग अलग डिफरेंट फैब्रिक्स के सूट सेट्स दिखाने वाली हूँ, फैब्रिक्स दिखाने वाली हूँ, ओनली दुपट्टास दिखाने वाली हूँ. So there's gonna be lot. So please stay till the end. I'm sure you're gonna find something of your taste and choice, whatever you want for the occasions coming up. So guys, this is the first Iktara cotton Jamdani dupatta. Many of you have been asking us, so we had to get more. So this is a beautiful color of maroon shade. It's a very rare color to come. वैसे ज़्यादातर इसमें pastels ही आते हैं, as you all know. So this is one dark color. It's going to go beautifully well with the fabric I am wearing. Contrast में लेना है, dye करा के लेना है, maroon, salvage का color लेना है, which is a purple. So you can do anything. Many things can be done. You can see the length is too long for me at least. So up length, width, कुछ भी जानना है दुपट्टास का, you can always ask us if you're very particular. And we will let you know. Okay, this is the other one. It's a pastel. You can see the paper coming out. They're crisp and ekdam fresh from the loom. So this is a very nice shade of pink, babish pink, very blush pink. Okay guys, how to order, someone is asking. So you can take a screenshot of whatever you like and send it to us on our WhatsApp number, which is mentioned in on all our posts and our bio everywhere on the page. So just send the screenshot. If you're ready with your choice, just make the payment and the piece will be shipped to you. And within India, it reaches anywhere in India 3 to 4 days, working days. और अगर overseas है तो 4 से 5 दिन लगते हैं. अगर आप ओवरसीज से देख रहे हैं और आपको इंडिया में शिपिंग करानी है, वो भी कर सकते हैं. सो देयर आर मेनी options, choices, ways. You can check with us. Just get your screenshots on our WhatsApp number and you're good to go. Okay guys, this is the price for this dupatta is 25,620. जो previous maroon दिखाया था वो भी same price का है. Okay, now we are moving on to suit sets. जब मैं suit sets बोलती हूँ तो it means it's a 3-piece suit set with the bottom, kurta and the dupatta. So these are in linen. As you all know, it's a season when you can embrace your linens. So इसमें ये embroidery है, सामने की तरफ पैनल्स दिए हैं, छोटी बूटीज दी हैं embroidered. So this is हाँ कांथा वीव बोल सकते हैं, एम्ब्रॉयडरी बोल सकते हैं. And this is the dupatta in kora with all this weaving, shikarga. It's a gorgeous piece, as you can see. The price for this suit set is 13,620. So this is the embroidery for you to see. It's beautiful. It's all machine embroidery, huh? It's not hand embroidery. And you can see the scallops also done on the dupatta. They're ready to go out. I'm going to open up one piece entirely for you to see. So this is the back side. Back side is plain. ये front का है embroidered panel. So this is the back and this is the mercerized cotton. It's very soft. तो lining नहीं भी देंगे bottom में चलेगा, as many of you ask me. That depends upon you. अगर आप बहुत टाइट पहनते हो तो it's better to give lining. अगर आप थोड़ा लूज पहनते हो मेरी तरह तो you can skip the lining in the bottom. हाँ, but लिनन के कुर्ते में देंगे तो it's always better. बैठता अच्छे से है. कॉटन में लाइनिंग दीजिए, एज आई ऑलवेज से. अगर आपके टेलर्स मास्टर्स नहीं करते हैं कॉटन, एज आई हैव हर्ड एंड सीन मेनी ऑफ द टेलर्स डू कैमरिक लाइनिंग, विच इज नॉट गुड एट ऑल. एक तो आपकी बॉडी को चुभती है, इट्स नॉट अ गुड फैब्रिक, बाद में श्रिंक भी हो जाता है वॉश के बाद. सो ऑलवेज टेक कॉटन मल लाइनिंग फॉर दीज सूट्स एंड दे लुक फैबुलस. सो द प्राइस इज 13,620. दिस इज अनदर ब्यूटिफुल कलर. So just see the close up of the embroidery. And this is the front panel. They're very dressy, very nice fabric to be worn in summers. कहीं शादी के कोई फंक्शन में, आउटडोर में कोई गैदरिंग है उस पे पहनना है. They look fabulous. So you can dress them up, wear ads, nice jewelry. बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. सोबर, सटल, समर फ्रेंडली. बहुत हैवी बहुत जरी नहीं पहनने का मन करता है गर्मी में, as it's terribly hot. And this is a very nice beige color. Yeah, it's a beige biscuit color, what I always call it. So all the 3 shades are beautiful. So you can just choose one, take a screenshot, come on our WhatsApp number, and we are always there 24/7 to answer any of your queries. Modes of payment बहुत सारे हैं. COD कराना है, you can do that. You have to pay a token amount for COD. हम full COD नहीं करते हैं. So depending upon the amount of the suit, we take the token amount. Okay, this one is a Kora suit with lots and lots of brasham and minimal zari. So you can see the borders have zari, and the zari is very very dull gold. It appears as silver only. It's a very nice English color, gray, जो मेरा एक favorite shade है of gray. This is that one, and this is the kurta in resham weaving. Kurte में there is no zari, only in the border there is a zari ka border. Entire kurta is in resham. So you can see the back side. And as you all know by now, our Kora silks are very very soft, very flowy, because they are pure Kora silk. जो organza या Kora एक सेमी वाला आता है उसमें फ्लफीनेस अकड़ा अकड़ा रहता है. This is not that. You can see how fabulous it is and how gorgeous the dupatta is. Dupatta also has all this resham weaving in the dupatta. Only the borders have zari. Just have a close look. It's a beautiful beautiful shade of gray. Very nice, very unique color. Okay, the price is 22,620. The bottom will be in chanderi, as हम सारे कोरा सूट्स में चंदेरी बॉटम ही करते हैं because of the durability. So this is a very nice shade of pink, very very dull pink, beigeish, मतलब एकदम blush pink जिसको बोलते हैं, because of so much of blue मीना on it. आपको शायद exactly the shade नहीं दिख रहा होगा. I'll just get close and show you once. दुपट्टे में दिख रहा है actually, because दुपट्टे में मीना कम है. So this is the other shade for it of it. So the 3-piece suit set with the chanderi bottom is for 22,620. You can see the gorgeousness of the dupatta, the fabric. It sits so beautifully well. Okay guys, and excellent for summers. So summers is the season to embrace your georgettes, cottons, कोरा सिल्क्स, ये सब फैब्रिक्स हैं जो समर्स के लिए अप्रोप्रिएट है. ओके गाइस, आज मैं आपको 2 या 3 कतान सिल्क के सूट्स भी दिखाने वाली हूँ. एज यू नो वी हैव अ क्लाइंटेल ओवरसीज ऑल्सो जिनके वहां पर अभी भी ठंड है. सो दे वांट टू सी कतान सूट्स, तो हमने सोचा चलो थोड़े दिखाते हैं. So this is the bottom. This is a 3-piece katan silk suit set. The bottom is in katan, and this is the kurta. It's a very nice hot pink color. As you all know, pink तो कभी भी कोई भी season में कभी ना in होता है ना out होता है. It's a evergreen color, and we all have so many pinks in our wardrobe. अलग-अलग shades of pink. So this is the weaving in gold zari done in such a way. You can see the front of the kurta. लंबे panels में दी है, stripes में, and the border is there. And this is entirely in karwa, the dupatta and the kurta. You can see how fabulous the suit set is. So this is the back side is plain. So on border दिया है, नीचे sleeves के लिए दामन पे use करो, sleeves पे use करो, wherever you want to. Okay, now this is another beautiful piece in brocade. The bottom you can see it is the plain, and this is the brocade kurta. Just gonna open it up. मैंने उल्टा पकड़ लिया है. So this is a very nice shade of purple. As you all can see, it's purple, pink, red, yellow. ये सब अपने festive and wedding colors हैं that are always there. So this is a dupatta with it. It's a beautiful, beautiful suit set. Suit set means it's a 3-piece suit set with the bottom 2.5 मीटर कुर्ता, 2.5 मीटर से 3 मीटर तक होता है, डिपेंडिंग. आप चेक कर सकते हैं अगर आप बहुत पर्टिकुलर है. एंड द दुपट्टा इज देयर. So that is a suit set. अगर हम ensemble या mix and match बोलते हैं तो it is separate. You can buy the fabric separately, the bottom separately, and the dupatta separately. अगर आपको तीनों में से एक चीज चाहिए, 2 चाहिए, that depends on you. But that is only for ensemble sets, or you can see mix and match sets. So suit set means it's a 3-piece suit set. You cannot buy the dupatta alone. You cannot buy the kurta alone. You have to buy them as a set. So this is another beautiful color of red. It's a very very pretty shade of red. Red में भी बहुत tones आती हैं, बहुत shades आते हैं. So all are not as pretty as the other one, and it depends आप पे कौन सा shade tone suit करता है. You have to be very choosy about picking up on. Okay guys, this is our chiffon fabrics, which are fabulous and got such a good response on these fabrics. Make a dress out of it. It's gonna look fabulous. आजकल आप रेडी टू वेयर के पेजेस पे जाओगे, आप इतने सारे प्रिंटेड ड्रेसेस हैं, सूट सेट्स हैं, कुर्ताज हैं. महिमा महाजन डिजाइनर है. आई didn't wanted to name anyone, but she's a fabulous designer. I am a very big fan of hers. उन्होंने लहंगा बनाए हैं अभी for weddings in prints. So they look fabulous, gorgeous. And this is the fabric for you. You can see the flow, the softness for yourself. Okay. अच्छा, मुझसे बहुत सारे लोग लास्ट टाइम मैंने ये फैब्रिक्स प्रिंटेड दिखाए थे, पूछे थे इज इट अ साड़ी, कैन वी मेक अ साड़ी? यू कैन मेक अ साड़ी ऑफ दीज. हमारे पास बहुत सारा फैब्रिक है. अगर आप 6.5 से 7 मीटर का लेते हो, आपकी साड़ी बन जाएगी. जस्ट टेक अनदर कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग ब्लाउज, कोई भी फैब्रिक का, रूबिया का, ये 2x2 रूबिया है, अगर गर्मी में पहनना है और अच्छा बनाना है तो एनी कॉटन फैब्रिक, नाइस वन, एंड मेक अ ब्लाउज आउट ऑफ इट. लाइक ये वाले के साथ पिंक ब्लाउज विल लुक फैबुलस. सो यू कैन डू मेनी मेनी थिंग्स. तो साड़ी नहीं है ये, फैब्रिक है, बट यू कैन इजिली मेक अ साड़ी आउट ऑफ इट. आपको खाली 6.5 से 7 मीटर का फैब्रिक लगेगा. Okay, the chiffon ones are for 2220 per meter, the fabric. Okay, now these are Koras, Kora silks. They are another fab. इसका तो I think you can make a top. It's gonna look fabulous. Dress बनाइए, इसकी skirt बनाइए with a plain top. It's gonna look gorgeous. So you can see how gorgeous this shade is. It's a nice golden champagne gold color. So you can see how the flowy the fabric is. यूज अ सैटन लाइनिंग. अगर कुछ अच्छा ड्रेस वेस बना रहे हो उसके नीचे कॉटन मल नहीं इतना अच्छा जाएगा. सो टेक लाइनिंग दैट इज अप्रोप्रिएट. बटर क्रेप है, सैटन है, दीज ऑल लाइनिंग्स विल गो वेरी वेल. ओके, दिस इज अनदर कलर एंड डिजाइन. इट्स अ पेस्टल टोन, इट्स अ वेरी लाइलैक शेड. ब्यूटिफुल पीस अगेन. इसकी भी साड़ी बना सकते हो, एज मेनी ऑफ यू हैव बीन आस्किंग मी. इसकी भी साड़ी बन जाएगी. जो लोग कोरा और गेंजा की साड़ी पहनते हैं. The pink suit, silk suit, the brocade one. Okay, the brocade suit is 24,620, 24,620 का. Okay, now this is our fabulous handloom cotton. आप इसमें sheen देख सकते हो. It's handloom cotton, बहुत soft है, and this is all is in karwa, the bootas. इसमें कोई border नहीं है आगे पीछे, just bootas. We've kept it simple, light for you to enjoy in summers. As you all know, बहुत भारी भारी भी नहीं समझ में पहना जाता, but they should look dressy also. So this is the Kora का दुपट्टा with entirely karwa bootas and the border and the print. So दो techniques को mix करके this suit set has been made, karwa bootas and the print. So you can see the this is a pista green color and this is the bottom भी hand. Suits look very very dressy, very formal for the summer events, as they are not too heavy, too rich. So you can see how flowy the fabric is, how soft the fabric is. Just see for yourself. बहुत ही अच्छी शीन शाइन है, लगेगा नहीं कॉटन पहना है. इसका जो इफेक्ट है ना, जो पकड़ने से भी आ रहा है, जो आपके पास आएगा आपको पता चलेगा, इट्स क्वाइट लाइक चीनिया, बट इट्स नॉट चीनिया सिल्क. But the softness and the look of the fabric, the shine of the fabric is as chiniya. So this is handloom cotton, superbly made in a way that it suits your skin. Soothing है बहुत पहनने में. And look wise you can see for yourself, very dressy and very appropriate for summer looks. You can see how gorgeous it is. ट्रैवलिंग भी कर रहे हो, बाहर जा रहे हो, अब्रॉड जा रहे हो, अभी छुट्टियों का सीजन आने वाला, नेक्स्ट मंथ से एवरीबडी इज ट्रैवलिंग, तो दीज सूट्स आर वेरी नाइस. एयरपोर्ट लुक के लिए घूमने जा रहे हो, लाइट इजी but still look very very dressy. As many of you don't wear much of westerns, तो उनके लिए बता रही हूँ. Okay, now I'm going to show you another handloom cotton suits in Jamdani, sorry, in the what do we call it? So this is the beautiful rose pink color. This all is resham weaving. There's no zari on these suits. Very very nice suits. This is the kurta. The kurta has borders आगे पीछे दोनों तरफ. Just see how beautiful, how gorgeous it is. And the cotton is ultra lightweight and ultra soft to be worn. ये भी ट्रैवलिंग में पहनना है, एयरपोर्ट पे पहनना है, फ्लाइट में पहनना है. दे लुक फैबुलस, वेरी वेरी लाइटवेट. पूरा दिन भी पहन के रखोगे, पता ही नहीं चलेगा कुछ पहना है. इट्स दैट सॉफ्ट एंड लाइट. आई एम जस्ट गोना शो यू वन फैब्रिक. सी. So this is how soft the fabric is, how flowy it is. हाँ, cotton मल का lining जरूर देना पड़ेगा. You can see it's transparent, see through. So okay, now this is the other color. This is also pink, but it's a it's mauvish pink actually. Very pastel, very light mauve pink shade है. ये सब जो आपको इसमें कुर्ते में दुपट्टे में दिख रहा है, दिस ऑल इज रेशम वीविंग, देयर इज नो जरी ऑन इट. I'm just going to show the back side also. Bottoms भी साथ में ही हैं and they are also in handloom cotton. They are not chanderi. So all the pieces are woven on the same loom and they are ultra soft. So this is the bottom. Okay. So वो okay. This is the dupatta. The tassels are done. You can see the pretty looking tassels on the dupattas and they are fabulous. So this is another very nice shade of yellow. I call it a buttery yellow. बिल्कुल बटर जैसा कलर है इसका, अमूल का बटर आता है ना, बिल्कुल वैसा. So it's a fabulous shade again. I'm sure you're going to have a tough time choosing the color. So this is the exact color and this is the kurta with it. Very ultra lightweight, very soft fabric and no zari. अच्छा ये आप फंक्शंस में भी पहन सकते हो ना. वेयर नाइस ज्वेलरी, पर्ल सेट पहनो, भी अच्छी सी ज्वेलरी पहनो, डायमंड्स भी पहन सकते हो. दे लुक फैबुलस फैबुलस. So guys, that's it for today's live. I hope you like the pieces. Just take a screenshot, come on our WhatsApp number. We ship worldwide and shopping is very easy with us. You just have to select the piece. Rest is on us.